You build a chapel in your own house and pray there. You don't have to go to church to pay for these idiots. Pero yung ibang pare, kaibigan ko, magbigay ka sa MAA, sa parang bispo, Jesus, Maria Joseph, maghingi pa ng sakyanan sa gobyerno, knowing fully well that it is corruption, as there is a separation of church and state. And you have the balls, brave as you are, to ask property of the government. Tapos magsalita kayo mga kala mo sino kayo. Wala bang obispo dito? Batukan kayo mga ulo ninyo. Kayo yan eh. The Catholic Church, pati si Bishop David sa Caloocan, clinging on to a belief which was 3,000 years ago. Ang mga tao ng nomads, what do they know about the world today? Tapos pasundin mo yung sinusulat ninyo. Totoo. How can the people that 3,000 years ago predict or project what is happening today? And it's only the archaic church of because it's getting money, that's all. I'm telling you, David, alam mo, nagdududang ako, bakit kasi giikot yan ng gabi? Tuloy ako sa druga ka. Pagka baptism, bayad. Pag minyo, bayad. Pagka matay, bayad. Nikulikta simbahan, unang kulikta, napag-ikaduha. Ang ikatulog ka ng prutas o saging, ofertory. Asa nang alamesa mo landing? Dito sa iyang uyab. O tinood na.